Hey, what's up everyone, it's Mark with M2M Detail, and today we're going to be installing paint protection film to the headlights on this 2014 300 SRT8. So you can buy our pre-cut kits on our website or on eBay, M2M Detail. You'll see all the templates there. If we don't have them listed on the website, contact us and we'll get you some out and we'll send you what we got. Alright guys, so first things first, we already washed and cleaned the car. The car is going in for ceramic coating. So we're just gonna get these nice and clean real quick, just wipe them down with some O&R, no rinse, because they're pretty clean. And then we're gonna be using SolarGard Hydro. So pretty good material. All our pre-cut kits are gonna be using SunTech Ultra. This is just something I have laying at the shop, so we're gonna use this one. And we're gonna be using our yellow turbo. We got our heat guns, fast drying. And we also gonna be using the Geek Wrap little hard card with the felt on the bottom to absorb the liquid. So let's get to it. Let's prep the surface. So some people, you might have to compound the headlights, get them really nice and clean, make sure you get all the crevices so there's no debris or dirt in the crevices around the headlight, because that will fall into your PPF. So you want to make sure it's nice and clean everywhere. So we're pretty good. We are going to get our baby shampoo and we're gonna let it run down. So don't be afraid to make a mess. And then we're gonna get our pink little turbo and squeegee this. So this is just going to help remove any lint that we got from the towel. Alright, so that's nice and lubed. Let's grab our template. Make sure our hands are nice and wet. And there she is. Nice and wet. Grab our material and we will place that on like that. Get that top corner. So first things first, when you're installing your headlight template, you want to see where you're going to have fingers, what's going to cause issues. So you want to take all that into consideration. This is going to determine where our start point is. Is it going to be back here or is it going to be in the front? 90% of the time, I always start in the front corner right here, get everything nice and lined up, and then I work my way around the curve to stretch it through the material. All right, now you guys are zoomed in. We're going to be using hot water as our tack solution. Also helps to relax the film a little bit. So we'll spray that everywhere, relax the film. And let's tack this side down. So let's get up. Let's get this into position. Okay. I am happy with that line. We will put some slip on it. Grab our yellow turbo. Move that up and So now that we got our front tacked in, so it's not going anywhere, now we're gonna get the rest of it lined up. See where everything is sitting, get these air bubbles out. We wanna get this bottom line on point. So this. Remember, you guys gotta use a little bit of force. This will help to make sure you don't leave any liquid or air behind. You do not want to leave air behind. So now that we got that, now we're gonna work over on this side. So you can see how it has some issues. Get in here. You just want to re-wet it so you have slip to it. You can move the film around, position it where you want. Looks like we're going to try to push it back to that corner. So let's go with some hot water in here. Grab this back edge and there you go. So now that we got this curve done, now we just need to worry about the back side over here. So you can see that big finger right here, but if you watch, when we pull it, it disappears. So that's what you're going to want to do when you're squeegeeing it. You're going to want to pull the material until it relaxes into the right location. So let's now that we got it nice and relaxed, let's tack down that corner with some baby shampoo, and we will work all this out. All right, guys, so we're pretty much done right now. Now we're going to go back with a nice little towel, wipe it. Let's clean these sides up. Get all this water off the bumper. Now I like to grab my heat gun. We're going to put on high. Almost high heat. Grab our geek swap, or geek wrap, and this is just gonna be a fast drying. You don't have to do this. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. Nice and easy. These headlights weren't too hard. Some other headlights are really hard. Hopefully this helped you out. If you guys want to buy a kit, like I said, hit up our website or eBay. We have them all listed, and we have a bunch more coming. We're adding more weekly. But yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this was beneficial for you, and hopefully you guys want to try this out at your house. Thanks for watching. It's Mark with M2M Detail. Mark out.